Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Given right triangle ABC with angle ABC equals 90 degrees, angle CAB equals x. Point D lies on AC such that AD equals 2 plus 1 over square root 3. Next, from D, draw a line meeting BC at E such that angle CDE equals 90 degrees. If BE equals DC and EC equals 2, the goal is to find x. And now for the solution. Let BE equals DC equals y. Now, consider triangle CDE and triangle CBA. We claim that triangle CDE is similar to triangle CBA. Since angle CDE equals angle CBA equals 90 degrees, and angle C is common, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since angle DEC and angle BAC are corresponding angles of similar triangles, we have angle DEC equals angle BAC equals x. Since corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, we have CD over CB equals EC over AC. So y over y plus 2 equals 2 over y plus 2 plus 1 over square root 3. Cross multiplying gives y squared plus 2y plus y over square root 3 equals 2y plus 4. The two y terms cancel, leaving y squared plus y over square root 3 minus 4 equals 0. Multiplying both sides by square root 3, we get the quadratic equation square root 3y squared plus y minus 4 square root 3 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, with a equals square root 3, b equals 1, and c equals minus 4 square root 3, we get two solutions. Y equals square root 3 or y equals minus 4 over square root 3. Since y is positive, we have y equals square root 3. Next, let's return to the diagram. Consider right triangle CDE. We have sine x equals CD over CE, so sine x equals square root 3 over 2. Therefore, x equals 60 degrees, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.